Hey guys, Etech here. So last week on Wednesday, Samsung Unpacked 2020 showed us some cool devices that are coming out later this year. Today we'll talk about the Note 20 and Note 20 5G. I don't have the unhanded device because I'm not, famous and all that. We got a tech reviewer channel, but yeah. So let's take a spec of these guys. So let's go to compare. So so what we got here is our that both phones, Note 20, Note 20 Ultra 5G, they both have a Snapdragon 865 Plus. That's their processor, and 12 gigs of RAM. Oh yeah, 12 gigs of RAM with one in for both for the Note 20 Ultra 5G and a 128 and a 528 gig for storage, while the Note 20 5G has internal storage up to 128 gig, no RAM for the Note 20. I mean, there's RAM, but it's only 8 gig of RAM. And then in terms of battery capacity, the Galaxy Note 20 goes up to 43 milliamp hours, while the Note 20 Ultra goes up to 45,000 milliamp hours. So pretty much all day battery. Better than my 300 milliamp hour on my S9. I mean, still after the whole day, I'll be like, what, 10% by the end of the day? Maybe like, I don't know, 5%. But, yeah. The both have a wireless charging 2.0, so you can charge your phone faster than the usual, than the, than fast charging 1.0 and regular, charging. Okay, let's talk about the camera specs here. So we go to the camera here. So it's not as, I should go to the compare because all the same thing here. Some of it won't even be there. Now let's go to camera because I want to show you like what's on the camera. So yeah, or even right here. So what we got here, this is for the Note 20 5G. Though it has a 12 megapixels ultra wide angle camera and a 108 megapixels wide angle camera and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. And only for the Note 20 Ultra, it has a later autofocus sensor, so you can have a autofocus on when you're taking a photo. And then for the selfie camera, it has 10 megapixels. And then for the regular Note 20, again we have a 12 megapixels ultra wide camera, and then we have a 12 megapixel wide angle camera and a 64 megapixel telephoto camera, and again a 10 megapixel selfie camera. So they both have space zoom. The Note 20 Ultra goes up to 50 times, while the Note 20 goes up to 30 times zoom. Alright, let's talk about the colors. So if we go to, I believe, highlights, right here. So this is for the Note 20 5G. Note 20 5G goes from Mystic Bronze to Mystic White and Mystic Black. So like, alright, this is what it is. This is a Mystic Black for Ultra 5G. So it looks cool. And then we have the Mystic White. And Mystic Bronze. While for the Note 20, again we have a Mystic Bronze, a Mystic Green, and a Mystic Gray. I'm gonna tell you now, I will take the Mystic Black if I take the Note 20, or the Mystic Gray. I'm sorry, Mystic Black for the Note 20 Ultra, or Mystic Gray for the Note 20. So, I like the dark color felt. So while and also the display, the Note 20 5G has a 6.7-inch flat Infinity O display, while the Ultra 5G has 6.9-inch Edge Infinity O display. That okay? Then we have the okay. Let's talk about the S Pen. This one we know device with the S Pen, right? Let's go to the S Pen. So Samsung really upgraded their S Pen. Um the S Pen is now more responsive and had more features too than S10 Note 10. I mean, so yeah. All right. So then we'll just doesn't show you much. I mean, it does show you. Like, okay, now you can see here if you like write down if you take notes on your Note 20 like this, you can align it on a fine like align it like you're writing on a paper. There's also now audio bookmark, so this allows you to when you're taking notes, you can also record at the same time, and they'll have timestamp notation, which is when you're like after you're done taking recording audio and writing notes, you can go press one of the letters in that point of time, and then the audio will go to the exact timestamp of where you took notes. So I mean that's pretty cool, right? So like the S Pen is like really good for taking notes when you're in a classroom or you're like in a business meeting. So best thing about Note 20 is that it's mostly and is leading to more professional business people that like who are very focused on their business and their productivity. The S While the Galaxy S series on the other hand is good for like average people. I mean like me, I have a Galaxy S at 9. This today still going great, still fast, and I like it. I mean, not as fast as their new phones right now, like the S20 and the S10s, but so far the S9 is still going great for me. So I'll take S9 for like as long as I can until they stop updating the phone, or maybe I don't know by the end of 2022, maybe I don't know. um, yeah, the Galaxy S series is good for the average people, like everyday people who doesn't use their phones for productivity, like play games or maybe just take pictures and all that. But like Note 20 is like targeting people who wants all the power of a Samsung device or Samsung phone and do work on the go. So like for example, Samsung Dex. Now you can wirelessly do Samsung Dex from your Note 20 to a smart TV. So if you have like Samsung Smart TV, you can like show how to like wirelessly do Samsung Dex. So I mean I can find a way to find it on here. I don't know. So that's all colors. Oh, and, okay, now you can also play games with it too. With the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, you can play your Xbox game on on the go. So that's pretty cool too. All right. How long is this so far? It's been 10 minutes. Okay, it's not bad. Oh yeah. I don't think I could find anything about it. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't really show me much anyway. Okay. Alright, but yeah, you can now use Samsung DeX wirelessly to your smart TV through Note 20, which is pretty cool. So you can use the Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra as a mouse and control like a PC. So that's like cool. So I used Samsung DeX before, but not wirelessly. But now since now Samsung DeX through my S9, I was able to do it. I mean, I like it, but I mean, I don't think I'll use it all the time. So, yeah, there is So let's now talk about the pricing. So let's go to Florida now. So what we got here is this is for in regular pricing we have this is what for the Note 20 5G, right? Or no, what one is this for? Oh, no, 25, no 25G, yeah. No 25G, 999, like $1,000, and wow, okay. And then we got the Note 20 Ultra, which we are looking at up to 1299. So it's 300, it's $300 more than Note 20, if my math is correct. So yeah. There are other cool devices that Samsung showed us in their unpacked, like the new Galaxy Bean Buds, or is what I call them, but Galaxy Buds Live. That looks like beans. Um, the Galaxy Watch 3, the Tab S and Tab S7 and S7 Plus, and that's all the devices that they have showed us this year in the unpack. So if you want me to review review some of the products, comment down below which of the something products you want me to review, and I'll review it in the next video. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and comment, whatever, which of the devices you want me to review in the next video. And I'll see you next time. Before I go, subscribe to my main channel, Canadian Gamer, if you want to see me play like a lot of Minecraft, a few other games, like maybe CS:GO and a live stream or something. So I might do CS:GO and live streams too sometimes. So watch me on YouTube for live streams, Minecraft videos, and all that. And the Hardcore series just came out this last week, so I'm back with Hardcore. Let's do this. Alright? See ya.